Let me introduce you to our brand new listing at 171 Island Street, close to the shores of Lake Huron, the rail trail, and beautiful downtown Southampton.
Hi, I'm Samantha Tremblay, and this is Scott Saunders, and we are the Saugeen team.
So come on inside and take a look at this 3-bedroom Cape Cod. You are going to love what is in store in this property.
More information about this property, why don't you give us a call, 519-270-3958.
Or visit our website at saugeenteam.com.